Welcome to our desktop Siemens PLC training project. Our members are John-Eliot Orr, Stewart, Joab Chávez, and Vitor Galdino Jordao. Our main problem is that Siemens systems are not widely taught in universities, and training kits usually tend to take a lot of space and be quite expensive. So our project goals are to create a Siemens PLC training kit. The training kit must have a compact design, and the device must be built in a way to fill in the gap between academic learning and industry needs. Our main components is the PLC schematic S7-1500. We also have an HMI, some digital and output modules, power supply, communication switch, and some peripherals like LEDs, potentiometer, switches, and buttons. So the design was made around the idea that the station should be keyboard size. This is to save space in labs, and with this in mind, we came up with two designs. The first one being the single front panel design, which has easy access to all PLC, HMI, and buttons. The con is that it's a little bit hard to store. And with the second design, we have a compact design, which is easy to store, stackable, but with the con that with the PLC being behind the HMI and only being accessible if you slide it out. We have some drawings so that the panels can be manufactured or laser cut.
For the electrical design, we created a series of drawings that detail the necessary wiring connections that need to be made between all devices in our trainer. These connections include the power, signal, and networking connections, and this format provides a clear and easy to follow, uh, provides this information in clear and easy to follow fashion that allows it to make the implementation and troubleshooting of the trainer easier.
This PLC trainer can be used for many applications. However, we created three basic labs that go over the concepts of latching, counters, and timers, and a fourth, more complex lab that implements all of these into a motion control program.
In conclusion, our project provides the foundation for a Siemens-based PLC trainer. It includes documentation that details how to physically construct the trainer, wire the components together, and configure the PLC and HMI for programming. And there's included documentation that provides labs for students to follow to introduce them to key automation concepts. The next steps of our project would be to assemble the prototype of the trainer and evaluate the effectiveness of our documentation. We would then gather feedback from students and faculty on the functionality of our trainer and refine the design based on that feedback. Thank you. How do I stop it?
Sick.
I don't know how to stop the recording. I forget. You guys are quite wrong.
The leg of my